Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 10th to the 24th. For December 10th to the 14th, we have a ridge here of the Northeast Pacific and also here across Greenland, and we have a trough here in the west. Also, we'll have above normal heights with zonal flow across the eastern states. Temperatures forecast to remain below normal generally west of the divide, with anomalies of 10 degrees or better will be possible in some locations. Above normal temperatures forecast for from the Rockies to Atlantic coast, with anomalies that could exceed 15 degrees above normal in some locations. And then during this period, we'll have a weak atmospheric river event that will be possible in parts of the west, bringing precipitation in the west. And this will likely result in higher elevation snow, lower elevation rain. And we'll take a look at that at the surface. First we'll go to another map. Okay, this is the 10th or 13th. Here's our storm coming into the west. You can see it here. It dives down to the south, and it really starts going and lifting up in this sort of fashion. Okay, and this will bring the precipitation in. And then we'll look at that at the surface. Here's our system coming inland, and I'd say I would spread a lot of precipitation. So above normal precipitation is likely from most of the west into the interior west, from the west coast into the interior west. Low pressure will interact with an upper low as it gets into the plains. We'll go back here. And then we'll look at that at the surface. See our surface low here on the plains. And that will have ample moisture that will spread ahead of a cold front here, and will produce significant rain across the lower Mississippi Valley on Monday. And we're here on Tuesday, and this will eventually spread into the east, causing heavy rainfall from the Central Plains to the Mid-Atlantic. And the system will also have a severe side as we look at another map. Let's see if I have the right one. Okay. And this is the cap from Monday to Tuesday, spreading in here to the plains. This is the upper river winds. And the winds are strong enough. There could be some shear resulting in some severe storms. So Monday and Tuesday, going into Wednesday. And then we'll look at the helicity, the energy for severe storms. You can see it's generally the same spot in the lower Mississippi Valley and the southern plains. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for December 15th to 19th. And above normal heights of forecast from Alaska to Greenland. We'll go to the 19th. This is what I'm talking about here. And then this will force colder air into the nation with a broad cyclonic flow across the country. You can see it as we go to the end of the period. Well, I made a mistake. A zonal flow that will be across the nation with a trough in the west. I'm getting ahead of myself here. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here. I think this might be a little bit too much. I think it'd be close to near normal, but with the anomalies near 2 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence, I didn't put is about 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast here with a probability of occurrence of 35%. Now we're going to look at the period for December 20th to 24th, leading up to Christmas, 20th to 24th. This is what I was talking about. We still have joining forces here with the ridge here over Alaska to Greenland, forcing the cold air to the south, and what you have is a cold cyclonic flow through this period. Models a good agreement with that. Some are more amplified than others. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures for this region here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about 8 degrees or more below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Above normal precipitation forecast here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 10th to 24th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.